endure some pain, and this is what we have gone through. But I can tell you that Nigeria's economy is now on a solid footing, and it is going towards the destination that Mr. President has promised. The $1 trillion economy, we're gradually going there. Food sufficiency, we're going there. Insecurity that has bedeviled this country for a long period of time is being tackled by Mr. President, being tackled by all the governors. The kind of deficit that the governors and the central government is having in terms of resources is also not being tackled. You can see that resources are being freed for governors and the central government to have enough for them to deliver the promises of democracy that they've given to their people. I think it's work in progress, but we're happy with where we are going. We think that Nigeria will be better off for it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Relationship between the states and the federal government. And this is one such meeting that we have just had now. And it has come out well. We are sharing with him what we are doing. He's also telling us what the governors are doing, especially the progressive governors. And we put that into account, take this feedback, and that will help us to, of course, fashion out our communication for Nigerians to understand better, so that we can have that country, that prosperous country that Mr. President has promised Nigerians.
So what are the things that you are doing that you want Nigerians to know?
Well, my job is to communicate, to tell Nigerians what is happening, to tell Nigerians the effort that government is making, and we have come here to consult, to discuss, and it is that same messaging. As Minister of Information, I don't build roads, I don't build hospitals, I don't construct classrooms. My job is to ensure that the business of government is known to Nigerians. And this is one of such consultations that we do to ensure that Nigerians get to know about policies and programs of government, so that all of us will be in alignment for the progress and for the unity of our dear country.
Okay, sir, what is the state of the renewed hope agenda by the federal government?
What is what?
The state of the renewed hope agenda.
Oh, renewed hope is cruising. Renewed hope is going well. People's hope, being renewed. We are hearing every day the positives coming out of the economy. All the rating agencies in the world are rating Nigeria's economy better now. It is not yet Uhuru. It is not yet El Dorado. We all know, but it is work in progress. But there is a great indication that the progression that we want, the direction that we want the economy to take, that the Mr. President has fashioned out, we are going exactly in that direction. And this is just at the midterm. We know that by the time that Mr. President completes the first 4 years, Nigerians will be better off for it.
In terms of